What's up, guys? Today, we're going to talk about how to make chocolate at home in 4 easy steps. The first thing you have to do, you have to get some cocoa beans or cacao seeds. And what you're going to do with these is you're going to roast them. So you can throw these on a sheet pan in your oven at around 250, 260 degrees for 25 minutes. Then you have to de-shell it. This is called winnowing. And you can do this by hand, which is time consuming, or you can gently break them up and put them in some type of big bowl with a fan. And with the bowl, you move it around like this. The fan is going to blow the shells, which are light, from the top out of your bowl. Once you have nibs, your third step is to smash them up or refine them. And you can buy an affordable small melanger or stone grinder from a few different companies like Premier Wonder Grinder or Cocoa Town. These are a couple $100 and they will refine your chocolate over the course of a couple days really well. If you don't want to smash your nibs up and refine them in that way, you can just use a blender. You could even go as far as just taking a rock and literally smashing up the nibs, because nibs are roughly half cocoa butter and half cocoa solid, which you can think of as cocoa powder. So nibs getting smashed are like peanuts turning into peanut butter, and you're creating a paste. And the next step would be to add sugar. That's it. That's how you make chocolate. So go ahead, give it a try, whether it's really well refined in the right machine like a stone melanger, or you do it at home with a rock. Have fun. Eat it, enjoy it with your friends. That's how you make chocolate at home in 4 easy steps.